season is here and so is Christmas. If you are in Bombay, then please visit Hill Road because they have amazing collection from little baubles to gifting ideas to also lovely t-shirts for kids. I'm going to be showing you few things that I bought and also have done a small vlog on the same as to where you would head and where you would go. At the end of the video, you're going to be seeing a Damien furniture store which every year comes up with a very beautiful Christmas theme. Last year they didn't do it because of the COVID, because it does get crowded. So the first thing that we got are these two cute pens. They are blue in color, the ink is blue. It comes with a cap and these are priced at 40 rupees. So these are the two cute pens. One is a Christmas tree and the other one is a reindeer. They are super cute gifting items if you are hosting a Christmas party at your house. If your kids' friends are coming over, then this is a very good goodie, the sock item. The next item is a t-shirt that I bought for Ayan, and here is the clipping of the sleeve.
I picked out two t-shirts for Ayan because I know he's going to use it and they eventually grow out of that. So the first one that I picked up for 200 was this one. It's Santa, which is like a super cool Santa with a thumbs up sign and glasses on, and it's really cute. So this is for 200 again, and they have different sizes for kids. So I like the color. They also had a green. They have elf also, which you have seen in the video. The quality is nice, and then once he outgrows, you can just wear it at home. So Ayan is in the range of 4 to 5 years old. So I've got him a size 10. They had still size 16. So this is what I picked up, one t-shirt. And the second one was just like a rough find, and I know he loves it. He loved it. It is this one, the Spider-Man one. So it says Merry Christmas Spider-Man. So there's a Spider-Man mask with a Santa hat on it, and there are all spider webs around it, which has been done in gold. This is a full sleeves again because if he has an outing Christmas party, which we will be having very soon, he can wear this for that, and I think he can use it for later on as a PJ in the night, because the material itself is like so soft and so good. So I know this can be used for a long time, and it's just for like 200 rupees bucks, so it's not like very expensive, because these festive t-shirts, they wear it only when it's a festival, and otherwise they just are lying in the cupboard.
The third thing that I bought are these two beautiful red color slippers. So one has a Santa printed on it which says Merry Christmas, and on the other one there are thermocol balls which goes upside down. Not only that, it comes with respective straws and it comes in a box. Now the beauty about these two different boxes are that if you see here, the one that has a thermocol balls inside has these colorful bells inside with a mascot of the Santa, and there is a small bulb which makes the light to it. So this is priced at 550 rupees each, and the shop name is 7 to 7, which is open from 10 in the morning till 10 in the night. The second one just has a Santa picture over it and a gingerbread and some gifting ideas as a gift wrapping paper on the whole. And here they have thermocol balls. It also has that lightning bulb inside which goes like this. So whenever you are giving this to kids, you can just put a straw inside and here you go. So if you want to gift it to your kids, your nieces and nephews, or you wish to buy for yourself, then do visit these stores. I hope you like this video. If there's anything that you wish to see in this video apart from these things as to how it looks in the day, do let me know in the comment section. Tomorrow is the weekend, it's a Saturday, Sunday, and you still have 2 more weekends ahead of you to shop for Christmas. Do visit and check out the Christmas decorations, from baubles to different gifting ideas and a lot more things. Till then, take care and Merry Christmas! So this is a descent from, this is all in the end of the hill road. You can see Balaji. So this is all the decorations out here. Just like that. As you can see here. So they have like super cute collection for kids. This is Mr. Elf. So these are the t-shirts. It's the Elf, the Santa in red, green Santa, and there's just the beard. So that's how it is. कितने का है ये? ये वाले? 200. So well, my dress is here. 13 a night. And this is how you. So this is Parry Wines. So it's out here and on the right hand side of the store. This is all the Christmas fields. So this is here. Hey, jeans nahi chahiye. This is all Christmas. So this is a store in Hill Road. You can see everything you want, from Christmas tree to the bells to star to wreath, everything you want. These are all the stocking stuffers. This is so cute. The bells. Merry Christmas. Oh, and they have these too. This store is called 7 and 7. It's open from 10 to 10 in the morning. They have everything you need. So they have all the decorative items. And this is so cute.
Fine. Wait, let us go at least. Excuse me, ma'am.
Let's take this balloon.
This is Damien. It's a furniture store. And they do this every year. Ta-da!
Now we have Ayan to talk.
And then
Hi, Ayan.
hello.
What do you have to say?
I have a band which comes in a light when you press it.
Oh, that is
And
a
the
band
middle,
also.
when you press it in the middle of the light.
Yeah, we got that also.
And we have a Spider-Man
T-shirt which you have already seen.
with a cap,
Santa.
Santa cap.
Yeah,
And
bye
Spider-Man in the face, and outside the face there's a circle of Spider-Man Christmas.
Do you want to say Merry Christmas to them?
Merry Christmas, and we have a Santa Claus t-shirt also.
Yay! Merry Christmas! Bye-bye!
Bye, Merry Christmas.
Have a safe one!
Have a safe one. Bye.